Hi everybody, it's James from Fairclough Studios here. We've got a wedding tomorrow, I'm so excited. Unfortunately, I realised I'd sold all my camera straps in a bit of a gear review this year and I had to buy a new one. So luckily it's arrived today, let's have a look together. Classically poor unboxing technique there. So this is the Peak Design Leash. It's the V3. And let me just stop it focusing on the face there for a second. This is the ash grey Leash V3 from Peak Design. Now, I've had my eye on some Peak Design products for quite a while now, backpacks mainly, but I actually went for the lower pro last time I bought a backpack just because I liked the configuration better. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but time will tell. However, I finally got my hands on a bit of their gear and I can't wait to see it. Now, the strap this replaces for me is the, the Black Rapid RS7 Curve, which I bought nearly 8 years ago now. It was my first sling strap, my first strap that wasn't a standard issue manufacturer strap. I did like it, but it had like a foamy thing that goes across your shoulder, which in theory, great, but it was so kind of stiff foam that it popped off all the time and it kind of tied your neck to your knees, and it meant if you crouch down and it slips off and you end up kind of tying yourself up and you can't get up again. So that annoyed me for years and years and years. So I finally sold that earlier this year. Yeah, so I thought I'd have a go with the Peak Design. Now, for a couple of years I've been seeing photographers with the little kind of plastic coin things hanging off the sides of their cameras, and I've wondered, what's the deal with that? And now I know, it's for the Peak Design straps, and I'll show you how that works as part of this review. So, nice packaging, and open the flap and you can see it there in all its glory. It's a nice ash colour and it's got this kind of brown fake leather stuff going on for a trim, and it's got black plastic clips on the ends with the anchor system. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Peak Design system, I'm going to go through this and how it works with you now. So I need to open this. Basically, the reason I was attracted to the Peak Design straps is they offer a quick release system which doesn't rely on the tripod mount on the bottom of the camera. Now, I've been using Black Rapid and Holdfast straps for quite a while now, and they all rely on the pin on the bottom of the camera to be able to put the strap on and off and to secure it, and it's a good system. You know, it's great. It's a solid anchor point for the camera. It lets it swing next to you in a nice position where you can easily pick it up to shoot, and there's no real problem with that, except if you're shooting video and you want to go on and off a tripod or on and off a gimbal, and then it becomes a problem. And then once you're on, and you can't use a traditional strap, because once you're on the gimbal, the strap gets all over the place and starts flapping about and tying up your movements, and it just gets really annoying. And yeah, it's just not an ideal solution. The Peak Design Leash strap and all the straps, I think, have a configuration where it uses the traditional side mounts, and I'll get a camera in a second to show you, but it also lets you use it as a sling strap whilst leaving the bottom of the camera free for other accessories like tripod plates and gimbal plates and Arca Swiss and anything you want. So yeah, that's what really attracted me to it. Now, first impressions on the strap are it's quite a thin strap. I wasn't really bargaining for that. It looks a bit thicker on some of the things that I saw. Don't know if you can see that there. Yeah. So it is quite thin. It's maybe 3/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more than that, but yeah, I don't know if that's kind of going to be an advantage or not. I've used thicker straps for a while now. It's probably about as thick as the Black Rapid one. It's a lot thinner than the Holdfast leather strap that I'm used to using, which is about 2 inches of water buffalo leather. So this is a lot lighter weight as well, so that's an advantage. Wow, this is really packed in here well. I see what they've done. I have to say, it's some quality packaging from Peak Design here. So, here we are. Comes with this lovely little microfiber-ish type pouch, drawstring, Peak Design branded, and in here we have an Allen key. Yeah, you do get a fixing for the bottom of the camera if you want to use it in that configuration, but you don't have to. Yeah, it comes with this plate here with an Allen screw on it. Let's come and show you that. So this attaches to the bottom of the camera and lets you use it like a traditional sling strap. Sorry, I'm in the way of my own light there. So basically the Peak Design system is you get these little anchors and you attach these to the sides of your camera like the normal camera lug straps. And I'll get a camera now and show you. I'm back. Here's one of our trusty Sony A7s with a Batis 25 on it. So yeah, you get the anchor and you just feed it through your normal strap attachment point. I'm even doing this one-handed so you can see how hopefully easy this is to do. Yeah, so that fits to there, and then when you're just using it on its own, you just get this little coin thing that hangs there. It's not annoying at all. And then when you want to put it on the strap, you get the strap, you put the Peak Design anchor in like that, and you just clip it on, and then you're on the strap. And then when you want to take the strap off, you just press it, slot it out, and you're done. And that is a system that I can really get behind. You know, it lets you have quick release, it lets you have a strap on your camera or off your camera, and lets you get it on and off in seconds. Now, it has a nice adjustment system as well, so you can have it really short like a traditional camera strap, so you can have it around the neck configuration. But if you adjust it using these, which are really nice quality, all you do is you pull this bit and you can easily adjust it. That's the easiest adjusting strap I've ever had. It's absolutely fantastic. So you can very quickly go from traditional strap to using it like a sling strap, and you can just kind of adjust your length to taste, so you can have it round you like that so you can pull it up, or you can have it round your neck so you can just use it like a traditional neck strap, and also for video add some stability if you're using the strap as a bit of a stabilizer to get kind of sweeping pan shots. So first impressions of this, incredibly well built. I don't know why I haven't invested in any Peak Design gear before, probably because I've had no money, but you know how these things go. Nice quality aluminium fixings, all nice stitching. The nylon of the strap seems very good quality. Yeah, it's not kind of just a plain fabric, it's very slightly mottled, it looks very classy. They do a black version as well. I think they do a third colour, I'm not sure, but I went for the grey just because I don't like black straps. I just like something that looks kind of a little bit kind of more luxury, and I think the grey of Peak Design is a very, very nice grey, and it does add that touch of luxury. So it might not matter to you, and you might not want to kind of stand out that much if you're used to kind of wearing all black and shooting like that and being very discreet. Then you might want something to match your outfit, but the price of $34.99, I don't think you can really complain, and you could probably get a couple, one for kind of more formal occasions and one for more casual shooting or for days out. The options are endless. Another great thing that I like about this is you get two sets of the anchors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because I carry two cameras with me on every shoot, I'm going to put a set of anchors on each one, and then as I want to put one camera down to pick up another, because if it's got another lens on it or if it's got a tripod plate on it, and I'm going to need that next, then I can swap the strap on, because I like to shoot nowadays with just one camera, but I like to have my spare in the bag with whatever I'm going to use next on it, because it's far quicker just to pick up another camera rather than change lenses in the middle of a shoot, especially a wedding or something fast-paced. So having one strap that I can swap onto them means no strap tangle in the bag, and it means I can easily have a camera set up to go on the gimbal, and then if I want that lens next, then I can just hook the strap on and then I'm ready to go. So I really like this. I'm going to fully test it out tomorrow and give you my thoughts after I've been using it for a while. It seems great quality. Certainly a step up from the original Sony strap, which I've been using for the past couple of shoots, that came in the box, which I can't take off, is way too short and is a little bit uncomfortable. Plus it's very touristy looking because the Sony branding on it is very, very brash, and I really don't like that. I don't like advertising my camera brand, especially not when I'm traveling, and this just looks like an unbranded thing. You know, only photographers are going to know that Peak Design is an expensive thing. You know, it's not generally something that's going to stand out as a steal me object, so I really like that. It's very kind of classy and plain but high quality as well. So that's about it for now. I hope you like this unboxing of the Peak Design Leash V3 strap. I'm certainly going to enjoy using it tomorrow. I think it's going to be a great addition to the kit. I hope it lives up to my expectations in terms of quality, ease of use and comfort for quite a long shoot tomorrow as well. So I've got plenty of unboxings, long-term reviews, and I've got some how-to series coming up as well. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. Let me know what you liked in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you guys.